Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing a brake light bulb on this Honda Jazz. It's brake light bulb here at the top of the brake glass. So just going to crack on with it. So what you do is you press this clip here and you take the cover off and twist the holder anti-clockwise like that. Pull the bulb out. This is the old bulb and this is a new bulb. Okay, just gonna push that in. Before I put it in, I'm just gonna try it whether it works or not. There we go. Yeah, it's working. So I'm just gonna line up all these grooves like this. Turn it clockwise. Once it clicks, it means that it's nicely secured. Just gonna put the cover back on. There we go, friends. That's the brake light bulb changed in no time. Okay, just gonna test it now. Thank you very much for watching the video.